Bismillah Rahman Rahim. This lecture is regarding the solid paper of KPPMS 2018, and it is helpful for all type of candidate who are preparing for any type of job test. Let's start. Replace the word given in bracket with its synonyms. Travel agent will confirm your reservation for you. So the synonym of reservation is verify. In the famous nursery rhythm about Jake and Jill, Jill tumbled down the hill after Jake. So the synonym of tumbled is fill. A good auditorium will assure that the sound is able to be heard. So the synonym of heard is audible. In question 4, the synonym of arrogant is surli, maghrur. In question 5, unauthorized synonym is haphazard, बिल्कुल गन का ढेर, unorganized. Accomplice उस बंदे को कहते हैं जो किसी के साथ दोस्त हो, किसी गलत काम करने में जो दोस्त होता है उसे accomplice कहते हैं. Person who helped him. Specified, so the synonym of specified is designated. Agreeable, the synonym of agreeable is congenial. Detested, the synonym of detested is abhorred, नफरत को कहते हैं दोनों. Compulsory, the synonym of compulsory is required. Choose the set of words which when inserted in the sentence fits the best meaning of the sentence. The study of vision would seem to indicate that the mind must create a rough map of the delimitation and literality of a raw sense in order to reach a visual. At a time of rampant involvement, it is perhaps worth noting that geological process amount to a remarkably efficient long-term disposal and recycling system. Parental devotion, especially if overly solicitous, has its pitfalls, one of which is protracting a child progress towards maturity. Many sports writers have been caught up in the activities about which they write and have become educate and apologetic when they ought to have been critics. Question 15. By subsidizing small farms, the new government is hoping to arrest the flow of people into the cities and encourage farming. 16. Complete the following sentences with appropriate fillers. When I saw him through the window, I ran out to open the door. The income tax raid was too sudden for the man to escape. He passed the examination in the first class because he had worked hard for it. Question 19. Where are my spectacles? There they are on your nose. I shall not be late for dinner if the train is late. Choose the correct option. Which one of the option represent the phrases licking the dust? So humiliation. Question 22. A luxurious life suggests a life of extravagance. The word plunder and plunge are not related. Which one of the following is nearest in meaning to defy? Adore. Red-handed means in the act of committing a crime. Choose the option nearly opposite in meaning to capitalized words. Relinquish. The opposite of relinquish is stick to. Relinquish छोड़ देने को कहते हैं. Stick to चिमटना रहना. Persuade. Persuade, the antonym of persuade is force. Animosity, dushmani, and daring is the opposite of animosity. Brute. Khunkhwar, opposite is humble, neck. Irk. The opposite of irk is sooth. Choose the word word or phrase nearest in meaning to the keywords. Abrupt, तेजी को कहते हैं sudden, अचानक. Ambiguous, मशकूक and uncertain, गैर मुतवक्के. Candid, सच्चा, frank, सच्चा. Intrinsic and basic, बुनियादी. Gregarious, the synonym of gregarious is sociable, malansar. Fill in the blank with appropriate preposition. He became addicted to drugs at quite an early age. 37. My father will never assent with my spending a whole day abroad before I am 16. He decided to break away from the party and seek a re-election as an independent. When Britain adopted the decimal system for its money, it changed in relatively smoothly. Confronted with the evidence of half a dozen witnesses, the accused broke down and confused. Answer the following question. Istanbul is the new name of Constantinople. Baitul Hikmah was a translation bureau. The conqueror of Central Asia was Qutbuddin Muslim, Qutbiya bin Muslim. Gaza is the name of Palestine. With his death ended the glory of Abbasid. The dead caliph was Al-Wasiq Billah. 46. The first great Arab alchemist was Jabir bin Hayyan. The main characteristic of Indus Valley civilization is town planning. The script of Indus Valley civilization was Dravidian. The Indus Valley people worshipped mother goddess. The Stone Age people had the first domestic sheep. Aryan at first settled in Punjab. Who among the following Mughal ruler has been called the Prince of Builders? It was Shah Jahan. The Mughal painting reached the zenith during the region of Jahangir. Who built Charminar? Quli Qutb Shah. Buland Darwaza is to commemorate the victory of Gujarat. The Indus Water Treaty was signed in Karachi. The objective resolution was passed on March 12, 1949. Pakistan ratified the Shimla Agreement on 15 July 1972. Border between Pakistan and India is 1610 kilometers, excluding Kashmir. Remember, standard time of Pakistan is 5 hours ahead of Greenwich time. The search for suitable words for national anthem with the music set by A.G. Chagla finally ended with the approval in August 1954. Karakoram Pass connects Kashmir with China. Khyber Pass connects Peshawar with Kabul. Gomal Pass is situated in Waziristan Hill Mountain. Doaba Rachna is located between the river Chenab and river Ravi. Kalabagh Dam is planned to be built on the river Indus. Varsak Dam is constructed on Kabul River. The range of Gauri missile is 1500 kilometers. The Cripps mission visited India in 1942. Vasco da Gama landed in India at Calicut. Earth Day is an annual event celebrated on 22 April. Earth Day. Stockholm Declaration on Environment was approved in 1972. The unit of noise is decibels. Aerobic means in the presence of oxygen. The undesirable change in physical, chemical or biological characteristics of air, land and water is called pollution. Polar ice caps are part of hydrosphere. Turbidity is a physical water quality parameter. Mega represent a value of 10 raised to power 6. HDI stands for Human Development Index. BOD, biological oxygen demand. Environment Day is declared on 5th June every year. Noise is any unwanted sound. Which of the following prepare their own food? Producers. CNG stands for compressed natural gas. World Water Day is observed on March 22. UN conference held at Rio in 1992 was on Earth. Afforestation means to convert land into forest, the opposite of deforestation. Afforestation. How much of the Earth's surface is converted by water? About 70%. Ozone molecule contain 3 number of atoms, oxygen atoms. The climate of Pakistan is mostly hot and dry. What is called the act of shortening one's prayer and journey? Namaz-e-Qasr. The five pillars of Islam are Namaz, Roza, Zakat, Hajj and Tawheed, Kalma. Who was the first person to confirm the Holy Prophet peace be upon him statement regarding Mi'raj? Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu. Who was called Amirul Mu'minin in the first time of Islamic history? Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu anhu. What are the other name of Quran according to Quran itself? Al-Furqan, Al-Kitab, Al-Huda, Al-Zikr and Al-Nur are the other name of Quran. Choose the appropriate choice for the following question. Complete the following series. When 20 minus 12 is 108 minus 13 90 minus 9 97 minus 10 87 minus 9 78 minus 8 is equal to 70 is the answer. Which one is different from the rest? Vague, sur, certain. So vague is the answer. Sa is to cut as iron is to press. Complete the following series. 20 33 20 plus 13 33 plus 13 46 plus 13 59. Complete the following series. 40 minus 5 then minus 10 then minus 5 then minus 5 then minus 10. So 5 is the answer. So it was the end of the lecture. For such type of more informative and beneficial lecture, subscribe my channel. Thank you.